Hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and today I've bought myself a DAS6 Pro dual action polisher. So without further ado, let's open it up, see what I got in there. Now I got this from Clean Your Car. Guys at Clean Your Car, really good website, go and have a look at it. And the price I paid was £114. So, oh, comes in this nice bag. I'm going to have to set this camera down 1 minute. Yeah, there we go. Right. Looks like quite a hard wearing bag, this. Right, here's the actual polisher. Right, so it's quite a big bag, so what we got. I checked everything's here. So yeah, we got, what's that, a carry strap, so I'll put that down there. Put that back in there. Let's chuck this bag out of the way. Right, so we've got a handle. It comes with, is that 2 backing plates? It comes with a 5-inch backing plate, and that's a 6-inch. And comes with various tools that you'll need. I'm guessing. What's that? No idea what they are. Right, so onto the machine. Oh, that's a long cable. I think that 5 meters, I think. Right, so anyway, let's get this machine. This is hard to do one-handed. Right, so there we go. We've got a DAS6 Pro. It's a 850 watt dual action polisher. It's got slow start, the speeds are on the bottom. So yeah, it's quite a, it's got a bit of weight to it, I must admit. So yeah, that's it. So excited to use this. This is going to start the what is it, sort of detailing episode, how I'm learning to use. I've got to learn how to use this thing properly. So along with that, what I'll do, I'll put the handle on quick. Right, so here's the handle. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just got it's got like teeth on the inside of it. So I'm guessing that grips inside those holes there. So let's get this on. Comes with these nice bolts and the Allen key. Nipped up tight, there we go. What I probably would have liked if this was sort of like a quick release, so you can adjust this on the fly without having to get the Allen key to undo it, so you can move this. But anyway, I've put it like, just straight up, vertical. Maybe in time I might set it, further back like that maybe. We'll see how we go. So let's see if I can put one of these backing plates on. So, I'm going to have a quick read of this first. Okay, so I've looked through these instructions and it doesn't say anything about actually installing one of these discs, but it's pretty straightforward. Maybe you can see that there's a nut on the polisher, which with the supplied ratchet you can do it, so that fits over there like that. Okay, so what you need to do is you get your disc, hold it against the thread. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can move you around here. See what I'm doing. Okay. So just line that up, and then we slip the spanner just down there, just to grab it. Like that. And then you just, using the thing, you spin it on. And then you just hold the disc firmly in your hand and then just move the spanner just a bit, just to nip it up. You don't need it too tight. And that's it. So there, we're ready to go. So now I'm going to show you what pads I've chose to buy. Right, hi guys, welcome back. Right, these are the pads I have chose to buy. I bought the Hexlogic Quantum pads by Chemical Guys. They're Velcro backed. I bought a 2 green. I've got a 5.5 inch to fit the 5-inch backing plate, and I've got a 6.5 to fit the 6-inch backing plate for them large areas. I bought a blue finishing pad for polishes and stuff like that, and then I bought an orange pad in case I need it for that sort of heavier cut. On the back of the pads, these are what see, I opted to choose for the green and orange. I don't think I'll even use the orange, to be fair, but if you're looking for like the heaviest cut pad that they do, that's the yellow, and then the softest is the red. So very easy to sort of work out which ones you need from there. Okay, what I also bought was under recommendation of Forensic Detailing, I bought a soft bristle toothbrush to, you know, help keep them clean. I've got plenty of cloths, and then I went for Meguiar's Ultimate Compound as sort of my introduction of polishing. You know, I've used Meguiar's products for a long time. They're designed for sort of the regular user as well as professional. So in my eyes, you can't really go wrong with using anything that they make. Maybe in the future I'll take a look at... See, I bought this to sort of work as a sort of an all-in-one sort of thing. Hopefully it does that. In the future I may look at the all-in-one S20 Black by Shoulder compound. And then going forward, when we decide to do sort of a 2-stage polish with 2-stage, a heavy cut and a light cut polish, I'll probably take a look at what Meguiar's have to offer on that as well. I'm sure they do the 105 and the 205 is the cutting compounds. So yeah, this is what I bought myself. Hopefully I'm gonna get some good use out of it, so stay tuned, because the next video will probably be me using this thing. So yeah, thanks. If you could leave a thumbs up, and obviously subscribe if you've not. Cheers guys, bye.